Simulcast is a program that allows bidders to participate in our live auction off-site remotely. So no matter if you're in a different part of the country or a different part of the world, you can place bids on vehicles at the live auction. The first thing you have to do is go to our website, go to bidder registration, go to the first tab, which is the simulcast registration. Read the information, complete the forms, complete the registration online, get everything to us at least Friday before the auction by 3 p.m. If you get us that information, get us the payment, then we can activate your bidder number. You have to be 21 years old to participate in any of our auctions here on site or simulcast. We require each bidder to have a 25% deposit of the amount that they want to spend. Even though you're a registered dealer on Pipeline, you still have to register with our auction as a new dealer. So every vehicle that comes in, we do a pre-sale inspection. If we find any serious defects with them, we make that announcement before the bidding starts. Okay, but this is not a guarantee. If there is some issue with the vehicle that we have missed, that is on the buyer. Every vehicle is sold as is, where is. We recommend that all buyers that are going to participate in simulcast come to our facility and pre-inspect the vehicles for yourself. That way you know what you're buying. The auto auction is in the A lane and the B lane. The bus auction is in the DW lane. As the auction begins, you'll be able to see pictures of the vehicle along with the run number. Follow along until you get to the vehicle that you're interested in. And then when the vehicle is being sold that you're interested in, you'll see the screen pop up yellow on the price, and that's where you can place bids.
Okay, how many dollars on it to pay for it? Somebody give how much? Give $5,000. You do it $5,000. You do it $3,000. You do it $3. You do it $3. You do it $2,000. $2,000. You do it $2. You do it $2. You do it $2. How much you guys want to pay? You tell me. Send and go. How much? 500. Okay, it's a start. We can start there. 500. Now 6. 600. Now 7. Now 7. Now 8. 8. Now 9. 9. Now 1,000. Now 11. 1,100. Now 12. 1,200. 11 bid. Now 12. 1,200 online. 1,200. 13. 14. I have 13 bid. Now 14. And now 15. 15. 15. And now 16. Now 17. 17. And now 18. Now 19. 1,900. 18's bid there. Now 19. 19. 18. You bid 19. 19. 2,000. Now 21. I have 2,000 bid. 21. 21. John's in at 2,000. 21. I have 2,000 bid online. Now 21. $2,000 bid. Now 21. 2,100. 2,000 bid there. Now 21. You bid 21. 2,000 is the money bid. 2,100. I have 2,000 bid there. Now 21. You bid 21. 2,100. Are you done? Last call. 2,100. We're going to sell it for $2,000 online to bidder number 8502. Thank you, John. That's how you do it. You got to bid quick. You got to bid early. That way the auctioneer knows that you are interested in the vehicle. Thank you, internet bidders.
If you're having trouble throughout any of the process, you call us and we'll try to work you through the problems that you're having. If you need a password reset, if you've won vehicles on simulcast, our office will contact you Monday morning. So you have 1 week to pay for the vehicle that you bought in full. If you have not completed that payment in 1 week, there will be late fees that will apply. If you're a PA resident and you purchase a car on simulcast, you still have to come to our office and do the title transfer and plate issue. We can either transfer plate or do a new plate. And you need a temporary plate to take it outside the state or outside the country. We can sell you a 60-day temp tag. 422 is unique in the auction process because we're one of the only auctions that allow the public to participate in simulcast.